We welcome you to the Atandra family and thank you for choosing Krykard, India's #1 servo stabilizer brand. This product comes to you with Krykard's vast experience of 37 years in the field of power quality with more than 5 lakh installations across the country. Our products are backed by a very efficient and widespread network of 80 plus service centers to ensure high uptime. We will now proceed to demonstrate the installation process. Please ensure that the stabilizer is unloaded safely from the truck. Upon receipt, examine the wooden crate for any breakages or visible damages to the stabilizer. Unpack the stabilizer from the wooden crate as demonstrated. Once unpacked, examine the stabilizer for any external damage such as dents or other damages. A user manual has been supplied along with the stabilizer. Check and confirm that the manual and stabilizer have the same serial number. If found okay, the stabilizer can be moved to the installation site. Tools that are required for stabilizer installation are as follows: screwdriver, open and spanner 12-13, T-type nut driver 6 and 8 mm, electrical insulation tape, line tester, digital multimeter. As a precaution, open the side panels of the stabilizer and check for any visible internal damage. Before proceeding for installation, ensure that the incoming power supply to the stabilizer is switched off. Now open the back panel door of the stabilizer to access the MCB and stabilizer bypass switch. Ensure that both are in off mode. Once confirmed, proceed to open the cable chamber of the stabilizer at the rear to access the input and output terminals. Insert the input cable in the left side cable gland and connect the input cables, making sure that the RYB phase sequence is maintained. Also remember to connect the neutral terminal. Use the nut driver to tighten the terminal bolts so that there are no loose contacts. After completion of the above steps, switch on the input power supply to the stabilizer and check that power is available at the stabilizer input terminals. You can use the digital multimeter and note the voltage values between R to neutral, Y to neutral and B to neutral. Switch off the incoming power and insert the output cable in the right side cable gland and proceed to connect the cable to the stabilizer output terminals. Confirm that R, Y, B and N phase sequence is maintained. Now connect the earthing wire from the input panel to the earthing bolt that is provided at the rear of the stabilizer. Switch on the MCB on the rear panel of the stabilizer and turn the bypass switch to stabilizer mode. Switch on the input power supply to the stabilizer. After a few moments, the stabilizer will deliver stabilized power supply at the output terminals. Confirm the output voltages using the multimeter as demonstrated. Close the rear panel. Congratulations! The stabilizer is now successfully installed. The LCD display on the front panel shows input and output voltages of the stabilizer and also the load current and frequency. You can scroll through these pages using the menu button. Thank you for choosing Krykard. We hope that this bond continues to grow stronger. If you have any queries or questions, please feel free to contact our customer service.